Atalakpo ale chukuma. It don't happen. Bagbang, bagbang. Now for Abuja, now in this a particular truck fall digging, baga, about to break, now instead of people to go look for safety and help, they rush to the place where the truck fall, where carry beer. Some they take bucket to pack, some they use to their motor pack and put for. Some they open the watch, they drink. Now so beer company will get it, say leave them, allow them to enjoy, don't arrest anybody, let them on their luck shine. So not be smart, you know, the amount of beer where some people take their truck pack from the truck go use to open another beer shop. Some even they dauru, some drink so they enter waiting oyibo they call stupor. Some they pour, not be small something, no. They just do. We wish you a Merry Christmas for outside. People they remain. If I get small money, me self go jaye and they see champagne and they dey for the place. They drink and they chop life for truck way for.
When I remember my country, once I remember my ayu.
Why you sing that song?
That is poverty. Poverty mentality.
Kai.
Wickedness. Your fellow brother,
somebody's downfall.
Your brother's property spoiled. Instead of you to help him, you dey happy say your brother property fall. You can't drink. It's wickedness, bro. It's wickedness. This thing they happen. It happen normally. They happen for bad roads. You understand? Especially bad roads. Now this happen. It happen for my area.
So if na tanker too fall with fuel, now so they go there.
They go back for it. Happen now, bro. This thing has been constantly something in Nigeria that anybody where they drive trailer, their trailer fall, people must rush.
In fact, all this so dry.
You never see what happened one time like that for this Abulado, yeah. When I said Ororo.
Yeah.
And so people they pack. And so people they go, they pack Ororo. Instead of you to help the man.
Case of
Shana hunger, I've been hungry, I've been wickedness.
No, when the team don't say because me personally, if he happen to me, I don't lie you, I will tell you, be a course now, be a course. People gas high, more now weekend with the enter so.
Some don't pack the one they go use for
the weekend now. That's now. And that's many people that can spoil.
Okay, forget that you want to. Look, if you do good, you receive good. If you do it, you see all those people drink. Wait, you see all those people. You see, Baba, they walk.
If they walk, you're not going to die.
Wait, I'm not talking about NEPA. I'm not talking about police, bro.
The same thing with the talk.
I'm talking about helping. Guy, look, do you know that if to say
those boys they help themselves now.
They help themselves. They drink. Bro, so you want to tell me say there's no good thing coming out in helping somebody?
Two things where
how would they have help? Therefore carry the truck
no,
up.
bros, if they say the truck they go, don't
forget say the company when the person will carry and one the company, the beer company say, the beer company say leave them.
Beer company because say they don't take them before the beer company say leave them now. If they gather, if they come together, you help. Look, if this happen for Western country like the white country, Oyibo self no go even go
nobody
there.
Go even
nobody go there.
No go near there.
You understand?
They go call them.
Immediately they don't call people helping hand. But Nigerians, any small thing like this, they take advantage. They take rice go throw away for. They say they go pack and with sand, all those kind of things. So we don't need all those things. If they give our name, if they give the country bad name.
Yes.
Because now you don't enter news. If they give the country bad name.
Yes, now both home and abroad.